Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we will be picking up a car at car auction here at Copart. Okay, stay with us, guys. We're gonna show you what we're gonna get now. We have the Mercedes here with the dolly. See if we got a good deal or not. You never know with that stuff, so let's see what we got now. Been waiting here now, guys, probably about 35 minutes to get the car and nobody's here. Okay, I don't know what's happening. Taking longer than usual. Okay, here it is, guys. Let's load it and see what it looks like now. Okay guys, let's see what we got now. We're really excited. Let's go check the trunk first. That's where we find usually unexpected things, and here we don't have anything but the spare tire. And it's dirty, definitely needs clean, but hey, we're gonna take care of that and even make some detailing videos, guys, to show you how to professionally clean a car. Back seat looks really good, there is no rips or anything. Okay, let's check here now. Okay, the front definitely needs detail. You can see some nasty stuff there. Okay, let's see if the armrest is closing. Yep, okay, that works. Glove box, everything's good there. Okay, so let's go check out the engine now. I think the battery is dead, so we're gonna jump start it and see what happens. It's supposed to be mechanical, guys, clean title, it's not wrecked or anything like that, so we need to figure out what's wrong with it. It's been sitting somewhere for a long time, as you can see. Okay, coolant's good, full of coolant, that's a good sign here. Okay, let's check now. We need to check the dipstick, see if we have any oil before we attempt to start it. And that's too much oil for some reason. That's way too much oil. It should be up to here and we have it up to there. So I bet somebody had too much oil in a shop or something and they screw the engine up. Okay guys, let's see if it's going to turn over now. Okay, keys in. Okay, let's check now. That sounds like no compression right there. Yep, something's done inside the engine, guys. That'll be a new engine for sure. Let's see if radio and everything else works. Okay, so we know how much we got into that thing now. Okay, volume, push power, and doesn't want to turn on. Battery is too dead even with the jump starter. Okay, so let's check it out. Looks like, okay, it sounds like a broken timing chain. Okay, that's the timing chain. Let's go ahead and turn the car. Okay, you can see it's not spinning the timing chain, and you can see that the pulleys here are spinning, which means timing chain problem here, guys. So that will be quite a bit of work. We'll see. Okay guys, so we're gonna take it to the shop, start working on it. Many more videos to come on Auto Repair, guys. Check out our first channel, World Mechanics, as well. Subscribe, guys, let's grow the channel together, be part of it.
So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.